Only lazy women give birth through a cesarean section. How many times have you heard that? Maybe you've said it, maybe you've believed it, maybe someone in your family still believes it. But what if I told you that this one sentence has frightened many women into refusing a life saving surgery, an operation that could have saved their baby or even saved their own life? As an anesthetist, I have stood beside hundreds of mothers in the operating theater. I have seen fear, I have seen tears, I have seen families praying outside the theater doors. And today, I'm going to expose one of the most dangerous myths surrounding childbirth. Across many African communities, including here in Ghana, there is a dangerous belief that a woman who undergoes CS has somehow failed. People whisper, she couldn't deliver, she is weak, she is lazy. Some women are even mocked by friends. Others are ridiculed by relatives. Some husbands are told, your wife is not a real woman. Imagine carrying a baby for 9 months, then risking your life during labor, only to be insulted afterwards because surgery saved your life. This isn't strength. This is cruelty disguised as culture. A cesarean surgery is not a failure. It is major abdominal surgery. It requires anesthesia, cutting through multiple layers of tissue, and an intense recovery period while nursing a newborn. There is absolutely nothing lazy about it. When an obstetrician recommends emergency CS, it is because the baby is in distress, labor has stopped, or severe bleeding has started. It is done to prevent tragedy. I have watched terrified mothers spend precious minutes refusing to sign consent forms, not because they don't trust the doctors, but because they are terrified of being mocked by relatives or labeled weak by society. In a theater emergency, minutes mean the difference between a healthy baby and permanent brain injury or even death. Delaying consent because of gossip is a gamble no family should take. And to the husbands and partners watching this, the woman you love isn't choosing surgery because she has failed. She's accepting medical care because she wants the best chance for herself and her baby. This is the moment your wife needs your absolute love and protection, not your judgment. Do not let the fear of societal stigma drive you to pressure her into refusing surgery. To every mother who delivered via CS, you are not weak. You are a warrior who chose a painful surgery to save your child. To families, give these women support, not criticism. Let's change the narrative. Share this video to smash the stigma. And remember, a healthy mother and a healthy baby is the only victory that matters.